The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live, Yadadi 20, the Election Edition 2.
Yes, so what's up, my people? DJ, how are they? I just came back, man. America no issue. If they plan to go, think wise. You know, so I get the American dream. When I take off, all my dreams, we say I won't be like Kevin Hart when I reach America. I'll be cracking joke. My people now fish at themselves America. If they call women when they sell fish organization now, they come out and they follow them. America crazy. That's why when they look, you know, say for America, for Nigeria here, when people they fuck, people go they happy say, oh, fuck is for pleasure, as I be fuck. When they drink Odogu bitters for fuck. We for abroad, when they drink Odogu bitters for gold. You know, when they fuck for Nigeria, you go they happy, but when they look for a green card, now they go no say fuck na career. My people. He get one of my guy, he fuck. During the time when Donald Trump enter. As God want help him, he won't get in paper. Now Obama come out, now Donald Trump enter, now they extend the thing to 2 years. Now see as the guy they work out. Oh, as I say, my brother, I never get my papers. Oh. I know the country crazy. When I get visa, about to travel, point of entry, they tell one of our guys, say, when you get to the point of entry, if they ask you, why are you here? Tell them you are a tourist. The Mumu guy reach point of entry. When you see immigration, then they ask her, why are you here? Why are you here? We fear the guy shall say, I'm a terrorist. Till today, they still find the guy. When I also get my visa, now they have visa, they go abroad. My brother, now I can't find tickets to go abroad. The first ticket, Delta Airline, I want to go abroad. They tell me, say, ticket is 1.5 million for economy. I say, what? I said, I go pay 1.5 million to go abroad, to go America. One of my stupid guys, we never traveled before, and he tell me, he said, why will you take that airline? There's one airline, they call Ufufu Airline. Ufufu Airline is the best airline, but they are not online. I say, what? Ufufu no go there online. Now he give me their number. Now I call Fufu Airline. I say, Fufu Airline, how much from Lagos to Atlanta? Now they say 72,500. I say, this is cheap. I say, business class. How much is business class? They said 92,800. I say, give me 2 business class. I don't know, say, it go take me 6 months to reach America. My visa almost expire before I reach America. No, but we take off from Lagos. As we take off from Lagos, the thing go lay over for Kenya. We did like 2 weeks. From Kenya, we go Morocco. We did like 3 weeks. You get one African country where the plane reach. As he reach there, the pilot don't even know the name of the country. Now the pilot advise us. He said, man, I go find work. We'll be here for 1 month before we take off. Finally, when we go enter America, I know, say for here, when motor jam you. For America, if motor hit you, you come out, everybody there for here. When motor hit you, now you be your insurance, you go to shout, hey, you the crash, do you know me? Who are you? Who is your father? Now I carry the same mentality. First day when my guy pick me for airport, as we they go, now motor hit us for back. As motor hit us, now I won't come down shout, who are you? Do you know me? My guy say, relax. I say, why? He say, relax. The next thing my guy say, I bend my neck. Now I bend neck like this. I know first I understand. He say, bend your neck. My brother, I did like this for like 30 minutes. Now they tell the guy, say, now you they kill me now. He said, don't worry. He said, we will make money like this. I think say, like police come, take my information, take everything. After 3 weeks, they give me a check of $3,000. I say, Jesus Christ. That was the first business I did in America. I start accident business. My guy advised me, say, but make sure, say, you know die, you. But it's a good business. For 2 weeks, I they look who go kill me, motorway go jam me, and no see. And they don't they come in for Nigeria, send money. I can't tell my guy, this business is not lucrative. The idiot can't tell me, it's okay, go for bigger cars, all those big trailer. Say those ones you can make like $1 million. I say, what? He said, but make sure say you no die. I said, okay, no wahala. Oh, let me enter street. As I dey drive, I see mighty trailer. I said, this is my jackpot. As I dey drive, the trailer they drive. Now they near the trailer. The trailer they go the other side. And they near that. When we reach ending of the road, now the trailer wind down. He said, one nange boogie here. I know what you are doing. I did this business before you. I said, my brother, no first. So now hustle all of us there. When I wait, man, take picture. Oh yeah. And you know say hustle. And when you come to America, don't listen to Nigerians. So the advice whether they give Nigerians, they advise Nigerians wrongly there. I got to Nigeria. I don't know say my lawyer no get papers. Now my lawyer call carry me. They go find papers. Now they don't deport my lawyer. Now my lawyer from Nigeria, they call me, say, my help and find lawyer, we go give them papers. So when you are going, be careful. Not be how they find work. One idiot tell me, say, IT day, IT, mo go do IT. The guy say, I give her $200. He go teach me IT within 3 minutes. I said, is it possible? He said, don't worry, we will certify you. Now him Baba teach me IT. He upload my CV, give me 40 years experience. I said, Jesus. As you upload it, in all these 2 minutes, companies start to they call me. He said, don't worry, just go. Now so they do one for America. He said, if anything, they call my number. Now I reach the first company. As I enter, now I see like 12 Oyibo men, Ododo Oyibo men. They carry me enter computer room. Computer reach like 15. They say, sir, we are waiting for instructions. Now I start to call my guy, the number switched off. Person before they switched off for America. Call. The Oyibo say we are waiting for instruction. I tell them, say, I go peace, and they call. Till today, I still a peace. They hustle crazy. Now from there, we keep moving. They find hustle. Now I move from one side. Now I can go Atlanta. Atlanta, the craziest country so far. You go see person pass. It don't pass, so you'll see Nyash still there. Everybody they shout, say, who get Nyash? They say, don't pass this. Now Atlanta, one Nigerian guy, where they found gay. I'm a gay. He got the disturb us for Nigeria. I'm a gay. Oh my God. God come punish and get visa. Come Atlanta. As they pick him up, he get one shopping mall. As they go shopping mall, he just they shout, oh, I'm a gay. When you see better gay for America, gay where get Nyash, get breast, can't get beer. As the guy they shout, I'm a gay. When they see gay, come they walk out normal. Not only I shout blood of Jesus. I say, what you happen? He say, see gay. I say, what you be? He say, I be lesbian. No. He see gay, way past gay. And Nigerians in America can be so wicked. You know, when you enter America the first time, you don't go know as things they happen. Do you know, I was in America for 6 months. I dey find a shower. I don't see a shower. I say, where are shower there for this? For Lekki, a shower full everywhere. What is happening? Nobody they tell me how the thing they happen. Now I move. One of my guys say, come, let me help you. Come give me a shower. America a shower is different from Nigeria a shower. You know, Nigeria a shower, when they wipe, ringing tone is different. They hear, come quick. Now America wipe a shower, I see a shower, they shout, I'm coming, baby. I say, yeah! A shower for America. Not being my guy, give me a shower as I wipe a shower, the first America shower for my life. For my lineage, now maybe the first to wipe America shower. I say, see a shower. As I wipe, pie. Now a shower changer for me, a shower they shout, come on, baby. Fuck this shit, you black ass motherfucker from Africa. I can't wonder. I say, why this guy they insult me? I don't know, say I saw they fuck for America. He said, fuck that shit, you nigger. I say, yeah? I said, but I'm fucking. He said, that's not how they do that shit. Fuck this shit, you motherfucker. The thing called they pay me. I said, why is this guy insulting me like this? He said, fuck that shit, you black ass nigger. I said, okay. I said, I'm fucking nigga, I'm fucking. The nice thing, the babe said, come on, say my motherfucking name. I said, I don't know your name. He said, come on, say that shit. Say the name, baby. Now I shout, I said, prostitute, baby. So as I dey wipe, the next thing the girl says, smack this ass, baby. Now I look my hand, look the nyash. Now I tell her, I say, this hand don't suffer. Now Nigeria they come from, things no easy for that side though. This American hand way soft, yeah. He says, smack it, baby. Smack it, you black ass motherfucker. It don't cost me time, did he confess me? I said, what is going on here? Now I raise the hand. As I raise the hand, now I remember Buhari. Now I remember fuel scarcity. Now I remember the new Naira notes. I said, my sister, now that you there, so. As I smack the guy, pa! Now they are not saying, fake one day, did he call it less? Thank you, guys. My name is Mr. Parker.
The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live, Yadadi 20, the Election Edition 2.